Hello and welcome back, guys. And we just click on that hand to get our cartoon back. So now we'll be shaping our hand and try to get it perfect as usual. Then yeah, let's get it. So we go straight to our hand. Just select your hand, and that thing will appear. A small square will appear around your hand. Then you just double click it. Then like the edit points will appear on your hand. So what I will do, I'll just take this hand thing, then I'll just put it straight there. I'll just put it straight there because that's where it should be. I can just take this, I put it just like that, and I take this one, I put it just like that. So guys, I'm pretty sure some of you like they're already wonder, do we have bones? I hope you saw other cartoons or other cartoon softwares, and if like you come from them, I'll advise you to stick to them. If like you were using like Blender to do your 2D animation, I would prefer you to stick on Blender because Express Animate, they don't have a lot when it comes to the edit. It's just for the basics. So let's get to the basics. Just do like that to get it close. Just come close there. Then that thing will appear. If it that appear, just try to do it like this. Then you push it a little bit like this. Just here is too sharp. You can just set your filler. Just try to fix your hand just like that. So there's nothing special about fixing the hand because we're just doing what we did previously, changed color fill. Then you can just click Control V, then you can click here, then this will be our thing. Every time we want to change, we just go there because I want it to be there. I was already sick and tired for always have to use that cookie thing. Okay guys, that's how. So we gotta double click it. The reason we wrap this area, we wanted our hands to be on top of that specific area. So double click and make sure like your hand is from this top of the area. I don't think you guys understand what I'm trying to say, but let me show you just on top of this area. And you can take this, just put it just like that on top of that spot. And that's all for this one. Then for the second hand, I'll just act like it's going downwards just like this because I really don't want to complicate it, especially for the beginner level. So let's go to our sleeper. Then we can go straight to our sleeper, select it, and we can just minimize this and make sure we on our sleeper. So as you already know guys, we just do it like this. We gotta put it on 50. Then we can use this. We can also use what they call it. We can also use a pencil, but I feel like I gotta use this one, a custom shape. So another thing about this guys, another good thing about this is just like when you're drawing a cartoon, you can also like add your shape, your own colors on each just to make it a little bit different. you know. So that's what I'll be doing in some areas. That's what I'll be doing in some areas. I'll just leave it like that. Then I'll just use a pencil for this one. mm, I'll be using like a little bit of a grayish color for this. Just click OK, then decrease it a little bit to be around 5. Then you can just draw like this. Then you can go here, go straight to select um, a curve shoe. I don't know, I'll just name the curve shoe, then double click this one and lining shoe, or then I will just click option on this one. I'll just change the color to a little bit of a reddish color. I know reddish color is not a color which is there. Then for my slipper, what color is my slipper? What color was the slipper? Let's go for a little bit whitish because it's too so okay, just click this and click control, then I click the second one, then I just hold them, go them and put them straight to the slipper. Where is my slipper? Then I can just go straight to my slipper. Just make sure you're only clicking the slipper, then change the color. You can change the color of the slipper to a little bit grayish depending on how you want it. Then we can bring back our color from 50 to 100. We can add outline. We'll add our outline to 0.2, not 0.3. Let's remove like our original picture and we see what we have. We're getting there, guys. We're almost there. So I feel like I need to fix my t-shirt around this area. Let me go to my t-shirt. I'll just click here, then I'll click set filler point. I'll just do it like that. I believe that will be much better. Then I'll also just take this, I'll just put it here, then I'll just, you have that thing there, just try to drag it and just try to make it like that. Then you can also add a little bit of a smooth curve there. Let's look at it. Yeah, not really bad right now, much better. So we can also click here. I feel like I gotta add a little bit of a small filler point there. So we are almost done, so we can go to our toes. Click option, you go to change, then we can add a solid fill. Just click there and you can just click straight there, click OK. Then that's our toes. They pretty look funny, they really look funny. So let's just click here, we'll go to our background. Let's change our background color to a little bit let's go for a white one. Mm, so our toes are really bad. So we gotta restart them. Let's redo our toes. Let's bring back our cartoon. Let's redo our toes. Now we'll be using a custom shape to redo them. So we'll be doing them just like this. Zoom them, zoom. Just make sure like you're not rushing. Just do them like that. They told you gotta make sure like they like join together. Then you can click that fill color, click there, and we can go to that color, click OK. You can go to this one, you go to 0.3, you can click OK. So someone will say it still looks funny, but we're about to fix that. Go to select, double click, then we fix it. Now it's time that we fix everything, fix all the mistakes we did. That's the advantages or the advantage of using this one, because with a pencil you cannot edit whatever you drew. No, so you gotta try to be careful of when to use a pencil. Just click undo if you did anything and you don't know how you actually did it, and just try to fix those just to line up good. Then you that's what you'll be doing. That's exactly what you'll be doing. And you just try to take your time when you're doing it. I feel like the second one looks pretty bigger than others, so I feel like we gotta just try to minimize that by doing like this. But this is 2D animation. The aim is just to draw like some weird especially if you're drawing such cartoons, the aim is to just draw some weird cartoons, something like someone can laugh even before watching. If you can notice, like a lot of 2D animation cartoons, they have like three fingers instead of five, just as to keep it a little bit funny and a little bit kind of unique. I think that's much better on my side. Okay, Let's remove this person. Just to be honest, we're done with our cartoon. So one thing that I can draw now, just to complement this, I can just use this. Then I can just draw something like this. Go straight here. I'll go back there. Then I'll call it like a second. Let me call it just like a second hand. Just for someone don't ask, where is your second hand? Just take it and you can put it there, and you can just click change fill to it, so you can just use that color as usual. Let's just select that color is A9. Let's just make sure it's A6. Then we can add the thickness on each. Go by 0.3. Let's go to 0.2. Okay, not bad. So another thing we can draw is we can just try to draw like a hot cup of a tea, like it's passing like a hot cup of a tea. But guys, that's all for the cartoon. So this is our cartoon. You can see like we just finished drawing our cartoon. I don't see anything missing unless you can add a little bit of filaments. Let's just add filaments here. Let's add a little bit of filaments there, just to give it a little bit of a more depth on it. And click Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and just hold it and put it here. And you can just drop the size, hold it, use that arrow thing just to turn it around so that it can be exactly how you want it to be. That's much better. We can also like add one filament around this area, just like that. Then we can just take 1, 2, 3 and drag them straight to your towel. Then guys, that is our cartoon. So I don't see any mistakes, just to be honest. To me it pretty looks great and kind of unique at the same time from the person that we're drawing. So for the second episode, for the next episode, it will be unit 3, of which unit 3 like we'll be focusing on the background, on how to get the background on your cartoon and how do you place your cartoon to that specific background. So thank you so much guys. I'll see you on the next video.